Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a Boxycharm unboxing video for the month of May. I just received the box yesterday, so I'm excited to do the unboxing live for you guys on camera, and I'll just do a little breakdown of each product and brand that I got in my box this month. I hope you enjoy this video, and please subscribe if you have time. Thanks. Okay guys, for those who don't know, Boxycharm is a monthly beauty subscription box which costs $21 per month, where you receive like 4 to 5 full-sized beauty products every month in your box. Yeah, the products in this box are luxury, mostly luxury brands, so they range between the price of maybe 15 or let's say maybe 10 to possibly $30 per product, which is quite worth it because you're paying $21 for a box of luxury products, and each product is worth more than what you're paying for the box every month. So I think it's quite awesome. In my previous videos I used a few products that I've received in my Boxycharm, and I told you guys it's amazing. So I'll be going through my May month Boxycharm box and showing you guys what I got. Every month I have a theme, so this month's theme is Make Waves. Every subscription box is different, so each subscriber receives a different variation of the month's box. So in my box I received the 8th variation. For those who don't know, you can see the variation number on the card that comes in the box right in the bottom corner. The first product that I'll pick up is the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. I'm so happy that this came in this month's box because I just ran out of all the cleansers that I have, so the timing is perfect. I've never tried any of Glam Glow's products, and I'm so excited to try this cleanser. This cleanser aims to condition, it deep cleanses, and it also removes face makeup, so that is a bonus for me, especially because removing makeup is so tedious. Also, one thing I like about this product is the packaging. It imitates like the iridescence or the like holographic shine that a bubble gives, like, you know, those multi duochrome colors that a bubble makes. I don't know what you call it. I might sound very dumb right now but yeah, you know what I mean. It has that bubble glow. Okay, the card reads as follows: gentle but make it bubbly, this daily conditioning gel cleanser gently but effectively cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. Oat amino acids condition, while the vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E and green tea extract bubbles up to deep clean and remove impurities. Soap fragrance and SLS/SLES free, which means it's 2 different types of sulfates, and it's for all skin types, and this retails for $28. It is sulfate free, so that's very good for the skin. I'm very excited to try this. I might do like a review on this after using it for a week or so keep an eye out for that. Next in the box is the Alamar Blush Trio. A lot of people pronounce this brand differently. They either say Alamar or Alamar, but the owner of this brand, she's Hispanic Latina, and they say it's made for Hispanic Latina women, like the shades and so on, which is nice. Brown people needs to be represented. We're doing. These are the 3 shades that come in the blush trio. I received the medium tan palette, which I'm so glad about. Sometimes Boxycharm misses the mark a bit when it comes to the shades that they send you. Sometimes I receive products that are a bit too dark for my skin tone, or sometimes a bit too light, but this time around I'm very happy with the shades that I received. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys so you can see how it looks on the skin. Okay, so I'll swatch 1, 2, and 3. That is how it looks on the skin. It's very pigmented, I must say. I actually feel like trying it on my face right now. I didn't put any blush on today, which I'm happy about, so now I can try it out. This shade is called Seclusion, this is Isla, and this is Toasted. Guys, sorry about my voice. I'm struggling with something, I don't know what it is, but I'm always having trouble with my throat. so I might sound scratchy now and then, please bear with me. So I'll be trying this middle shade. It's called Isla. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, but I'm sure this means island in Spanish. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. I don't know Spanish, even though I would really like to learn. I tried once learning on Duolingo, the app, but it didn't last long. I need to commit to these things. It's so hard, you know. So I'll be taking this brush that I received from Switch Beauty, and I'll just, oh, it's really pigmented. I'm not going to use that much. And it comes with a mirror in the compact, which I like. I'm just going to run that. Ooh, it's so pretty. Very nice. It's like the perfect blush shade for me. It's like in between pink and peach. Perfecto. Yay, I'm so happy. I have another blush that I can use besides my Maybelline Fit Me Peach Blush. I'm in love with this blush palette already. Yay! Yay, Boxycharm. So the Alamar, it's called the Alamar Colorette Blush Trio. Get your blush on with your new Alamar Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio, formulated to glide effortlessly over your cheeks. This buttery, smooth, highly pigmented and completely vegan formula delivers a sun-kissed flush without the damage of the rays. Very nice, I like that. And this retails for $22. Next in our box we have the Steve Laurent lip gloss. I've never used anything from Steve Laurent either. All these products in this box I've never used before. I've never used any of their brands, so these are really like my first impressions of these products. So yeah, that's why I like Boxycharm. They introduce you to so many different brands. So this is the lip gloss. It's a nice nude shade, which I like. You guys know I'm all about the nudes. I love nude glosses, nude lipsticks. So let me just swatch this on the back of my hand, and that is what it looks like. It's very pretty. I think I might put it on my lips. I don't have much on my lips right now, just lip gloss, just lip balm and brown lip liner. So let's see how this looks. It smells so good. What does it smell like? It smells like a cupcake. It smells so edible. Damn. This lip gloss is poppin'. What you know about me? What you know about me? So that's what it looks like on the lips. It doesn't feel sticky or greasy or anything, which I like. Very nice, I love this. This leaflet says 1 part balm and 3 parts silk. This Steve Laurent gloss is never leaving your favorite purse. Formulated with a creamy lip softening texture, this one-of-a-kind hybrid gel and oil will moisturize and hydrate your lips with just one swipe. I can really feel the balmy properties of this lip gloss. It's very nice. Let's see how it wears later on in the video. This retails for $22 as well. Next in the box we have a makeup brush. I'll just open this for you guys to see. So it is a powder brush. It can be used for blush as well. But I don't see myself using this for blush. I don't think. It's a bit big. This is a brush from the brand called Aesthetica. This is the P12 brush. I think this is a synthetic brush. The Aesthetica P12 face brush, there we go. With synthetic fibers that allows for maximum control. The P12 face brush is perfect for creating a seamless look. Very nice. It feels very soft. I love it. I really like the feel of this brush. I can't wait to use it. This retails for $27. $27 for a brush. It must be good. can't stop playing with it. It's so nice. It's so nice and fluffy.
He's so fluffy, I'm gonna die! So fluffy!
Last but not least, we have the Ciate London Eyeluster Creme Eyeshadow. This is in the shade Cupid. So it is a liquid eyeshadow. It has this duochrome sheen to it. It's part pink, part gold. I'll swatch it at the back of my hand so you guys can see the shade. Ooh, it's so pretty. So that is how it looks. I don't know if you guys can see the purpley pink to gold reflect, but it's so nice. I can't wait to put this on my lids. Oh my gosh. And I believe you can blend this out to make it more sheer, so it'll be more sparkly. Let's see, very nice. I really like this. It's so fun. I'm so easily amused. Oh my soul. But I hope this works well on top of powder, because I like setting my lids with powder before I start with my eyeshadow. So I hope it's not gonna mess up with my eyeshadow base. But I'll test it out in another video for you guys, so you can see how it works. But I think this is fun. I really like it. So that is this month's box. The total value of this box is $121, which, come on guys, it's quite a steal. You're paying $21 a month for a box of makeup to the value of $120. It doesn't get better than that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing that I did for you. If you found it interesting, if you'd like to see more videos like this in the future, please let me know in the comments section. I'd be happy to make more videos like this. I probably will make one every month after getting my box. Yeah, if there's anything else you'd like to see on my channel, please let me know. And I hope you guys have a blessed day. Keep on smiling, be happy, stay positive, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.